Hello, car enthusiasts! In today's video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at the 2025 Infiniti QX80, the luxury SUV that has undergone a major overhaul to stand out in a competitive market. Infiniti, Nissan's luxury division, has made a serious investment in modernizing its lineup, and the QX80 is the flagship of this new era. Although it retains its imposing size and robust body-on-frame structure, the 2025 QX80 showcases a fully revamped design and significant mechanical upgrades. Starting with its looks, the 2025 QX80 features more modern, sleek lines with sharp LED headlights and a commanding front grille. The rear end also stands out with a light strip connecting the taillights, giving the SUV a sophisticated appearance. Under the hood, Infiniti has retired the old 5.6-liter, 400-horsepower V8 engine. The 2025 QX80 now features a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, delivering 450 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. The 9-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth and efficient shifts. Despite the extra power and improved drivability, the 2025 QX80 still behaves like a full-size SUV, weighing around 3 tons. The air suspension, standard on all trims except the base Pure, helps control body roll and turns, but don't expect sporty handling. The QX80 stands out for its comfort on long trips and city drives. Inside, the QX80's interior is all about luxury and technology. The top-tier Autograph trim offers semi-aniline leather seats with a massage function in the first 2 rows, a cooled center console, and open-pore wood trim with metallic accents. The Luxe trim, expected to be the best seller, also impresses with its spacious and comfortable interior. Starting at $91,545, the Luxe trim offers air suspension and optional ProPilot Assist semi-autonomous driving technology. All trims of the 2025 QX80 come with a Klipsch sound system, a unique feature in the luxury SUV segment. The Pure and Luxe trims have 14 speakers, while the Sensory and Autograph trims boast a 24-speaker system. The touchscreen infotainment system is powered by Google software, with an intuitive interface and sharp graphics. Integrated Google Maps makes navigation easy, and other apps like music streaming can be downloaded via Google Play. Though Infiniti has worked hard to deliver a premium tech experience, the software has some limitations. For example, Google's voice assistant can't yet activate functions like massage seats. Infiniti promises software updates to improve the system over time. Infiniti aims to provide QX80 owners with a unique after-sales experience. A dedicated customer service department will be available to meet client needs, and detailed vehicle training sessions can be scheduled at the dealership or the customer's home. With the 2025 QX80, Infiniti aims to solidify its place as a premium luxury brand, offering a sophisticated, tech-forward SUV with high levels of comfort. The QX80's success will be crucial for Infiniti to regain its market position and pave the way for new models, including an electric sedan and a mid-size coupe SUV. We hope this video provided you with relevant, unbiased information about the 2025 Infiniti QX80. Stay tuned to Car Channel for more reviews and news from the automotive world. See you next time.